Barilla sauces have always brought taste and quality to the table. To do this, the naturalness of the ingredients and the safety of raw materials are fundamental values to offer ever better products. In a production chain with several stages, such as the cultivation of raw material, the transformation into semi-finished products, and therefore the production of sauces, Barilla has put into practice all possible actions to ensure a responsible purchase. Our commitment begins with the selection of the supply area. 100% Italian tomatoes, coming exclusively from the tomato district of northern Italy, from highly integrated farmers who promote initiatives for the sustainable development of the supply chains and for crop diversification. Our presence continues in the planning phase of the purchases with the processors. Before sowing, we evaluate the volumes and quality of the tomatoes in order to obtain the right quantities of pulp and passata, which are the basic ingredients of Barilla sauces. Since 2015, Barilla has been committed to purchasing tomatoes from Global GAP, Good Agriculture Practice certified growers, guaranteeing the application of sustainable and responsible agricultural practices. The constant commitment in this environment led Barilla in 2020 to buy 100% of tomatoes from Global GAP certified producers. Amongst farming practices, there is the mechanical harvesting of tomatoes, supported by optical sorters. This is socially sustainable and a quality guarantor. During the transformation process, analytical and organoleptic checks are carried out on product samples in order to select the best batches of semi-finished products on the basis of compliance with the standards chosen by Barilla. Moreover, in our plant, further checks are made upon receipt of the semi-finished products before they are used and throughout the subsequent production of the sauces. This is how we know exactly the content of our jars. Thanks to the close collaboration with the main processors, it is possible to obtain a high-quality product for the approximately 48,000 tons of tomatoes that Barilla buys every year. Barilla's commitment aims to go beyond the responsible purchase. We are working towards the horizontal integration of the supply chains in order to guarantee crop rotation and the most efficient use of natural resources.